कि उन्होंने क्या गारंटीज दी हैं ताकि कौम को पता चल सके कि अगर हम थोड़ा सा हमने
ये मेरे बयान का जो सेंटेंस है कि इट इज नाउ रिस्पांसिबिलिटी ऑफ इंटरनेशनल कम्युनिटी, वो इस सवाल का जवाब है और जो जॉइंट स्टेटमेंट है उसमें भी लिखा हुआ है. Following the Mujahideen's positive response to our appeal to de-escalate in Kargil, the government of Pakistan and the government of India have been in contact on the question of the restoration of the LOC. The Director General's military operation of the two countries met today and agreed on the modalities for de-escalation, including sector-wise cessation of ground and air operation to facilitate the Mujahideen's disengagement. We have been informed that disengagement from the Kaksar sector, which began yesterday, has been proceeding satisfactorily. The disengagement from the Mashko sector will commence tonight. Gradually, the disengagement will be completed in the entire area. You would no doubt note that the modalities employed now are exactly those suggested by us over and over again during the past 2 months. Namely, that hostilities should cease, the DGMOs should meet and gradually shift the, diffuse the tension and the hostilities.
So now he is using hardball.
During the last 12 hours, there has been no artillery fire and no small arms or air activity in the area opposite the Kaksar sector.
Ill and hearty, and I tried my best to fly him over to Rawalpindi today so that I could present him in front of you.
According to an agreement to allow disengagement of Mujahideen. To the best of our knowledge, and again information available to us, there has been no problem here. The Indians have held their fire and the de-escalation is proceeding as expected.
Go into a wider situation, the wider conflict. Second, that